Okay, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. O anong oras nyo napanood ang ating video lesson? Welcome sa ating channel, Matuto Dapat. Our topic for today is about commission, and this is your Professor, Engineer Eduardo Tapia. Based on the definition, a commission is a sum of money given to a sales agent or employee in exchange for closing a deal or finishing a task in a business setting. Usually computed as a fixed sum or as a percentage of the sale price. It acts as a motivator to encourage people to meet sales goals in sectors where sales success directly affects income production such as retail, real estate, and hospitality. Commission are frequently utilized. Now we have types of commission. Number one, straight commission. Workers receive a predetermined portion of every sale they complete, directly computed based on the amount of the product. So kung magkano yung product, magkano yung amount nun, tapos magkano ang rate ng commission, so multiply lang natin agad, then you come up the commission. Number two, graduated commission. When sales goals are reached or exceeded, the commission rate rises. So ito namang number 2, yung commission niya ay nagbabago yung rate, no? Pataas ng pataas hanggang dumadami yung sales. Salary plus commission. This type of commission combines amount of commission incentives with a basic salary of the employee. So may basic salary ka na, may commission ka pa. Okay, next. The following are significant benefits of including commission in remuneration packages. Number 1, encourage workers. So, commission encourage workers to optimize their unique talents and pursue greatness. Number 2, performance indicators. Okay, commission offers a precise way to gauge performance and encourage ongoing development. Number 3, recognition for accomplishment. When workers receive recognition for their efforts and accomplishment, workplace satisfaction and engagement increases. All things considered, commissions are a useful tool that business managers to increase sales, retain top staff, and successfully accomplish their goals. Example 1, a sales agent in ABS department store work on a commission basis for all products sold. In 2 weeks, he sold a total amount of 52,500. If the department store offers him a 15% commission rate, how much is his income for 2 weeks? Ang given natin, ang sales niya ay 52,500 pesos. Ang rate ay 15%. Ang commission ang hinahanap natin. Okay, so since direct commission, so solution for commission, C equals S times R, or the sales times the rate. And that is 52,500 times 0.15. Ang commission niya ay 7,875 pesos. Number 2, the list price for a house and lot is 2,150,400 pesos. If you are given a 43,000 pesos commission, how much is the rate of commission? Ang given natin, ang S natin o sales natin ay 2,150,400. Ang commission ay 43,000. Ang hinanap natin is yung commission rate. So to find solution to find for the rate of commission, so you have R equals C over S. So yung commission divided by the sales. So 43,000 divided by 2,150,400. That is 0.019996 times 100 para makuha natin yung percent, and that is 1.9996% or 2%. So, ang atin pong rate of commission ay 2%. Number 3, The employee of ABX company received a salary of 15,000 pesos monthly and a commission rate of 5% for all his sales. For the month of January, he sells a total of 550,000 pesos worth of product. How much is his total earnings? Ang sales ay 550,000, basic salary ay 15,000 pesos. Ang kanyang commission rate ay 5% o 0.05. So, hanapin natin ang commission niya plus yung total income. So, solution for commission ay S times R. So, 550,000 times 0.05 and that is 27,500. So, the total income ay salary plus commission. So, you have 15,000 plus 27,500. So, ang total income niya for that month ay 42,500 pesos. This is his total earning for the month of January. Alright. Number 4, a furniture company offers a graduated commission to all its sales agents. A commission rate of 3% for 5,000 peso sales or less. 4% for 5,001 to 15,000. Tapos, 15,000 peso sales. And 6% for the excess of 15,000 peso sale. In 1 week, an agent sold a total of 38,000 pesos. How much is the total commission? Okay, so tatlong rate natin, 3% for less than 5,000, for equal 5,000 or less. Okay, 4% for 5,001, okay, to 15,000. Tapos 6% for more than 15,000. And then, ang kanyang sales ay 38,000 pesos. Total commission ay hinahanap natin. So, ang unang commission, 5,000 times 0.03, and that is 150. Commission 2, 10,000, kasi from 5,001 to 15,000, so that is 10,000. So, 10,000 plus 0.04, and that is 400. So, yung dalawa, ito kasi, ang kanyang total sales ay 38,000. So, ito, 5 plus 10, 15 na to. So, minus natin sa 38, so that is 23,000 times 0.6, and that is 1,380. So, ang total commission niya, kapag i-plus natin itong tatlo, ay 1,930, okay, 1,930 pesos. And then, that is the total commission. Okay, this is your activity to solve. Number 1, the tag price for the electric guitar is 12,900 pesos. An agent will receive 8% commission on this. How much he received? Number 2, the seller received 5% commission rate on every appliance he sold. For 1 month, he sold a refrigerator worth 15,500 pesos, a TV set worth 35,000 pesos, and a microwave worth 7,600 pesos. Find his total commission. Number 3, if the agent received 45,000 commission on the house and lot worth 1,200,000 pesos, what is the commission rate? Number 4, what the company offers a 9% commission rate for the motorcycle product. If the agent received a commission of 14,220, how much is the cost of the motorcycle he sold? Number 5, the department store offers a commission rate of 2% for the sales of 5,000 or less, 4% for the sales of 5,001 to 20,000 pesos, 5% for sales for 20,001 to 35,000 pesos sales, and 8% for the excess of 35,000 sales. In 1 month, he sold a total of 60,000 pesos. Find his total commission. Number 6, the department store offers a basic salary of 10,000 pesos monthly to its employee and a commission rate of 5% for all items they sold. One employee sold 2 air conditions, 2 horsepower with a list price of 33,900 pesos each, in 1 TV set worth 38,000 pesos. How much is his total earning? Anna sells appliances. She received a graduated commission of 6% on her first 3,000 pesos of sales, 7% on the next 5,000 pesos, and 8% on the next on sales over 8,000 pesos. If Anna sales has a sales of 29,000 during the week, what is her commission for the week? Number 8, Adam received a basic salary of 8,000 pesos monthly and a commission rate of 8% for all items they sold. For 1 month, he sold 2 motorcycles with a list price of 135,900 pesos. How much is his total earning? Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much for listening and learning. I hope you learned from this lesson. God bless you.